guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Let's get one thing out of the way first. My hair's blue. Accident. I tried to go purple, but purple and yellow are, what are they? Complementary colors, so them together make brown. So yeah, I don't know why I tried to do that. But anyway, I threw in some turquoise, aqua, blue. That's what we have now. Don't really like it, but it's here for just a little bit. Anyway, I have this ombre liner type look for you. So if you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm taking the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Dagger. And I'm taking a very small winged liner brush. You can use whatever you like best for winged liner. And I'm just drawing out the wing and then bringing it in about, I guess, a third into the lid. And then I am filling that in. And then I'm picking up Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Backstage Bambi with a different sort of eyeliner brush. And I'm placing this in the center of my eyelid. And then I'm going to slowly fade that into the gray shade. I'm going to be switching back and forth in between the brushes just to make sure that they blend seamlessly. And I'm going to pick up more of the gray and put that on the inner third of the eye for the liner. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pick up the other brush and kind of fade them together. And then I'm just fixing any last minute things that I see, like making the pink a little bit more saturated, and then just, you know, making sure they're perfectly seamlessly blended. And then for the floating wing, I'm starting off with the pink, kind of just so I know where on the eye I wanted this to be at. So I'm just placing that in the center, and then I'm going to pick up the other brush with the gray shade on there and wing it out. So the color scheme of this pink and gray was totally inspired by Den It's Lava. I don't know really how to say her name, but she's so talented. She did this pink and gray graphic liner look, and I was like, oh my god, I have to do something like it. Hers is definitely a lot different, but I just love it and wanted to mention it anyway. By the way, the editing on her videos is insane. She is so good. I'm like, oh, I want to be like that someday. So anyways, I'm just adding more of the gray on the sort of inner third of the graphic liner, and then going up and picking up more of the pink and making sure they blend. Then just perfecting anything that I see. And now we're going to switch to brows, and I'm going to be taking SUGARPILL Spank Liquid Lipstick, and I am going to be doing my brows. I just said that. For my brows, I like to draw a line on the underneath of the brow to kind of give it a little bit of an outline, like starting point. And then I start to kind of feather that into the brow. It is kind of hard for me lately. My brows are like kind of heavy in that area, but then super sparse on the under part of it. So I feel like it takes me a little bit longer than it used to, but I just love colored brows, and I wanted to show them to you today. So once I have the purple all filled in, I'm going to be picking up Backstage Bambi. It's the pink that I used on the lid. And I'm just feathering that into the front of the brow for a little bit of an accent of color. An accent of color to my colored brows. And then I'm going to perfect the brow. I'm just taking some of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is a MAC 195 brush, and I'm just carving out the bottom of the brow. Lastly, I'm just going to pop on these Sweetheart lashes in the style Stella, and this is the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I am wearing, let's see, what am I wearing? The MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Buzzed Out, and then over top I have some of the MAC Grand Illusion Liquid Lip Color in Rave Bunny. So this is the combo that I have on my lips, and I'm seriously obsessed with like metallic lips right now. Alright, let me know what you thought in the comments below. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.